Hi guys, it's me Yvonne again, and I wanted to show you something. If you're into journal making or school or whatever you want a paper clip for and you want to embellish it, if you were going to put a tab on it like this on a plain paper clip, this is what it would look like. Not too shabby, it looks very cute, very nice, but you can embellish it something even better than that. I was watching Mrs. Cog, and I saw that she had a turn onto her paperclip, and I thought, well, I can do that. And I might have shown you this in the past. I don't remember. So I'm going to do it again since I was going through some of my stuff to my tips and so forth. I thought, oh, well, I'm going to do it again because it's so easy to do. You can have it just like this, or you can even, you can even add a doodad like such. And, it's just, it doesn't stop you from using your paper clip, but with the same breath, you have yourself a cute little tag as such. Let me show you how. It's really, really easy, guys. Just take yourself a pair of needle nose pliers and just slip it off the tip like this. This is what I use, needle nose, but if you're into jewelry making and you have one of those loop makers, you could use that too, I suppose. But all I do for this is on the outside, I'm going to turn it for the outside like this. I just put my tip of my needle nose pliers right on the edge, and then I turn it. It doesn't have to be cute and fancy. It just needs to be dressy, like such. And then when I want to do the inside, I just bend it a little bit forward like that, if you can see. And then I want this one to go inside, so I'm going to put my needle nose pliers right to the edge, like I did the other one. And I'm just going to hold it by the bottom and twist and turn like that. And then you can close it up just by adding a little turn. And you have yours, then you push it back normal, and you have yourself a paper clip that has a really cute design. And then you can put whatever you want. You don't even necessarily have to put one of these on top. You can do whatever you want, and it's like I said, it's really cute, really easy, and it doesn't matter what kind of paper clips you have. If you turn it, it just adds a difference of a plain paper clip or a dressed up paper clip. Now these would be so cute at a birthday party. You could hang in a balloon on the end or do what you want. And well, you get my idea. This is Yvonne. I'm going to let you go for now. Until the next one, you guys have yourself a great day. And we will catch you real soon. Bye-bye.